Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this bracelet. So let's get started. Start with 4 chains. After doing 4 chains, 1 DC in the first chain. Then 1 more DC in the same chain in 1 loop only. Then 2 chains. Again 3 DC in 1 loop. Then chain 1, turn, single crochet in chain 2 space, then 3 chains, 1 DC in the same loop, again 1 more DC in the same loop, then 2 chains and 3 DC in 1 loop. Again chain 1, turn, single crochet in chain 2 space, then continue the same process, that is 3 chains, 2 DC in 1 loop, two chains, 3 DC in 1 loop. So you can continue the same pattern till you get your desired length. You can measure the length with your hand. Okay, so I have done it. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now use white color yarn, attach it in chain 2 space with a simple knot. Okay, then do crochet chains. I have done 15 crochet chains. You can do as per your desired length. Then single crochet in each chain. So once you are done with that, take 3 chains and do slip chain here. Again 3 chains, then slip stitch till you reach the other end. Once you are done with the first side, again do 15 chains or as per your desired length and follow the same pattern as you did on the first side. Once you are done, cut the yarn. Okay, your crochet bracelet is ready.